Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today I've got some exciting news to share with all of you. My Everyday Flexibility ebook is now ready for purchase. I've been working on this beauty for about a year now, on and off, and as you can imagine, with the kids and work and life, it's taken me so long to get this book finished. Within this book, I'll be discussing my training and teaching methods over the last 30 years to improve and gain active flexibility and strength within your whole body. You can expect to learn about different stretching types, including static stretching, dynamic stretching, and PNF. When to do them, how to do them, and what they involve. And in turn, learning about the different types of stretches and when to do them and when is appropriate will also help speed up the process of gaining flexibility. You'll also learn about the correct way of breathing. Yes, there is a correct way, and how important breathing alongside your movement will help you improve your flexibility and stretch in the safest way possible. The book also includes warming up prior to stretching and exercising, stretching after an injury, creative sequencing, so helping you put together your stretching sequences. And there's lots of images covering many different stretches for all different types of muscle groups throughout the body, and ways in which you can creatively put these stretches together to get a creative sequence of your own. I've listed my favorite stretches for all the large muscles and muscle groups within your body. So there's stretches for your hamstrings, your quads, your glutes, your back and shoulders, the front body, your neck, your arms, upper body, all included within this book. To finish off, I've done a Q&A section where your questions are answered. I put out on social media about what questions you would like answered, and hopefully this will help you all develop your flexibility quickly and efficiently. This 50-page ebook will truly help you understand the training methods that I've used over the last 30 years to improve my own flexibility and strength. I've trained thousands of athletes all over the world, including martial artists, dancers, and actors, and I've had great success had by all. Grab your copy of my Everyday Flexibility ebook today.